I can see that you are all ready. So with that, let's pass our attention to our coach Juan, who is not just an expert in web developer. He is a funnel building maestro with years of experience helping businesses streamline their sales processes and skyrocket their revenue. His insights have transformed countless businesses, and tonight he is here to share his knowledge and answer your interesting question or queries. So, Coach Juan, it's your turn na po.
Right. So yeah, thank you, Sheila. So for that introduction, let me just adjust my ano. Is my ano ba like audio clear lang? Audible lang sa lahat? Can you like type 1 if it's all good? All right. Right. So can you type 2 if this is your first time joining our webinar? So ayun. Right. So we have new ano pala like new faces here. So to give you a brief background lang, we're doing this since episode 1. Our focus talaga is more onto funnels, websites, creation, strategies. Okay? So that's the goal para you'll be aligned so far. And if you want to like uh review the ano, like take a look at sa mga past recordings natin, you can search the Facebook page and you can like take a look at the episode 1 up to now. So today we are episode 7. Yeah, so we'll be finally implementing the strategies, principles, and theory, no? So we'll be implementing that one tonight. Ayun. All right, so give me a minute. I'll just open my ano, site builder. All right. So anyone is not familiar yet with Actio? Can you type 1? Like this is your first time hearing about Actio na ano, site builder. Yan. So you have ano pala. So yeah, we have new to Actio talaga. All right. And can you like type the technology like for example if you try to build websites, can you type what technology did you use? For example, WordPress, what site builder ba like Webflow, Wix. So anyone using those site builders na from our ano audience? Yun, we have WordPress user pala. So these are like ano I think you're using Elementor as your page builder, correct? Okay. All right. So I'll be sharing my screen and let's start. So first of all, we're going to choose one category of a business. Wix and Accio. All right. So that's great. So before we like finally start, uh we're going to choose a certain niche or a certain business that we'll be creating tonight. Like yung goal natin is to craft a very great looking landing page. Okay. So I think with the episodes that we had, uh, we've introduced to you the principles like ano ba yung ilalagay natin sa funnel, what are the marketing strategies, diba? And now we'll be finally doing the design or implementing the design. I did not prepare any presentation kasi I want it to be coming from you. Like the idea will be coming from you. Okay? Yung design na gagawin natin is based onto like the business of one of the participants here. Okay? And by the way, guys, we are having a community. This one, this is centered for the funnel builders. No? So if you have any question, any doubts, you can like post it here as well. And yeah, you can like discover and we'll be uploading the recordings naman here. So this is like an exclusive community for funnel builders or funnel designers or even freelancers. Okay. So yeah, you can freely drop your email addresses para we can send you an invite to join our community. Para you can talk to like the same like-minded people, especially in funnel design and uh yeah, funnel building. All right, so these are like the pages we built so far, but I wanted it to be like unique this time. Uh, we're going to choose a certain business here. So, can you type one if sino here my existing business or whether it's a personal business, an agency business, a white label service, or anything basta anything to do with online. So we have one. So we have Bell. Who else? Even if you're starting pa lang, no? And can you mention what type of business are you running para we can vote tonight and implement or create a design onto that. And you can like witness how do I implement those designs. E-commerce. And so we have e-commerce. Ayan. So e-commerce lang. Do you have any entry? Other business? We have online selling. Yeah, kind of similar to e-commerce. Other business niche? Beauty and health brand. All right, so that's great. So I'll be adding it into our let's do this para we can like vote what design or what business are we going to build tonight. So we have e-commerce, we have beauty, and what is that? And so where's my chat? Chat. Right, so we have online selling that is same to like e-commerce, beauty and health brand. Beauty and health brand. And you can like copy the design, no? This is like the advantage if you like manage to if we selected your your brand. So we have digital marketing. What's this? Pisonet? Okay. Ayun, what's that? Pisonet, we have digital marketing, MLM. So what else? Wala na mag-entry. Ayun. So we have chiropractor. Yeah, we have a client pala with chiropractor as well. So this is yung parang massage. All right. And food business. Business. All right. So let's close in 3, 2, 1. And let's spin the wheel. Oh, all right. So we'll be doing chiropractor services. So yung winner makaka-receive ng ano, iPhone 15. Charot. So, kaninong business to? This is from okay. So, nandito ba si ano? Kanino nga tong ano? Cairo. Yeah, Rene Andres. Are you here?
Yes, coach.
Ayun. So, yeah, tell us something a little bit about your business.
Hindi lang ko lang yan, coach. Bali yun yung mga nagmamasahe rin yan.
Okay, but you don't own this business, correct?
Hindi sa akin.
Alright.
Parang yung mga ano lang yan, yung mga nagbibigay ng yung mayroong mga machine na nagsi-service. Tapos yung mga ano rin sila, yung mga home service din sila ng mga pwede magmasahe.
Oo. So actually we have a client na ano na chiropractor services din sila. So sige from that ano. So this can be like applicable. This can be like a beauty and health products as well. It can be like any business. So you can see like how do I do my research. And before I design, you can witness what are the things that I'm doing. Okay. So are you ready? Since we are having a model na coming from Rene. So yeah, let's start. So first thing is let's just disregard the copywriting, okay? Kasi that can be like ano na, maybe sa part 2 or next week we can add a very good copywriting on it. But as of the moment, we'll just focus onto the design kasi that is our goal for tonight. Okay? So normally I just do research about this. Anong spelling nun? Yeah, this one. Chiropractor services. Okay? So usually I get some inspirations no from landing pages designs that are already created by designers. So meaning I am getting inspiration from some of the chiropractor services present online. So you don't need to like be very good at design. All you need to do is like ano na lang taga like to do some research like that, 'di ba?
Day,
Ayun.
kunin ko sa imo, maminaw na lang ko while nalakaw ta.
Ah,
Sayang ang webinar.
yeah, sayang ang webinar talaga. Right, so pa-mute na lang siguro R for those who are ano. But if you have an idea, suggestion, you can like open your mic, okay? And even open your camera. All right, so first thing I do some research. Okay, so that's firstly sa Google. But this is really sucks kasi it doesn't load their website. Ang tagal. So okay, so I just take a look at some of the So meaning you can be like a freelancer for international clients as well. All you need to do is like first I'll do market research, sir. I gather the data and see some inspirational design for your business. Yeah, that's how I work. I don't do it from scratch really from my own design. I see others perspective as well. Diba? Para the client would be okay, flexible pala to si Rene or ano pala to siya, like resourceful. Oh, diba? And that goes with the saying na you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Diba? So you can like remodel or add some additional factor, but you don't need to like create from scratch talaga. Alright, so currently I'm searching for a very great looking chiropractic design from Google. So this is purely Google search pa lang ha. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a screenshot of the like chiropractor services na website. I know that you know the difference between website and landing page, correct? And even funnel. We had that once one of our episodes. Yeah, you need to check that out because you're missing a lot if you don't see that. So what I'm doing is like I'm just ayun. I think I need to recapture the screenshot. But I can have a very great comparison and I can evenly merge all of the design, diba? So it's kind of research marketing or research din, doing some research before the design. Okay, this is good, not bad. And maybe we can like take a look at, oops, I think we missed, copy image. All right. So delete and paste. All right, so we have our first design. So this is from Google, okay? So according here, since this is the first website na lumabas, meaning to say this has a really great SEO already. But in terms of design, you can like modify the design. You can like be more creative, no? So let's take a look at one more example. So this is Philippine Chiropractic Healthcare Specialist. Okay. Impress us with your design. So shout out to this So meaning we're not going to copy literally. We'll just get idea. Kasi iba yung like copy. Tapos that's it. That is ano na, like, will be copyrighted if ever we like copy and paste talaga the entire thing. Alright, so this is the disadvantage kasi very loading yung site nila and this decreases their no, SEO. But I don't know why they are ranked. Baka one of the reason why is matagal na sila na na-establish. Alright, so I found it very boring. We cannot search, we cannot even load the website. So the next step ang gagawin ko is I take uh some inspiration here sa Pinterest. And I know you know all Pinterest. Yeah. And this is one of the secret na ginagamit ko actually. I'm taking a look at here inside. So I'm looking for chiropractic, Cairo website, a Cairo landing page. So let's take a look at no some examples. All right. Not bad. All right. So let's take a look at this design. Oh, continue with email. Save image. Okay. So needed na pala ng ano sign. Maybe use this. Okay. Alright, so take two. Let's take a look at this. Kasi parang ano siya eh. Kinda modern and ano siya, like professional looking. Alright, so this design. By the way, yung gagawin lang natin is the hero or the banner lang muna. And then we'll be doing a part 2 maybe if hindi siya kaya. But this is very blurred. So let's find another Cairo website. So about this. Okay. Yeah, this is kinda ano clever or very great design as well. Okay, so open image in a new tab. Yeah, all right. So diba? At least we have references. You don't need to like stress yourself to like you need to find or craft your own design. Ito, pinag-isipan talaga to nila before they do it. And all you need to do is like somehow copy the design, but not entirely. Okay. So that is Pinterest. By the way, guys, I think in our community, I posted some resources here. So we have resources tab for you to check na lang what are the resources that we are using. For example, ito siya, like essential design inspiration resources. So kanina we've tried Pinterest, okay? So we have Dribbble as well. So this is my top 5. By the way, for those who don't know, I'm doing web design for ano na, like more than 5 years. So far, this is my top 5 ano inspirational website, especially Cairo website na lang kasi this is kinda generic, okay? Yeah, this is my top 5 talaga na go tool or I ano. So yeah, there's not much ano design for Cairo. So let's take a look at the next step, next resources. So Team Forest. Yeah, this is my favorite. So let's search for Cairo landing page. Okay. And there are like a bunch of ano like resources pa out there. These are not just limited to these 5 items. Yeah, I think there's no Cairo. They don't know. It's not ano pa eh, like well known pa yung Cairo kasi it started when COVID ano pa lang strike. So maybe we can search for dental or a healthcare, something like that. Or massage website. Or even spa. Diba? So let's take a look at bakit pagkain to? Ayun. Okay, so we didn't find, and yeah, I think this is a different one. Well, the good thing about Theme Forest is you don't need to like purchase, huh? Because if you're going to purchase, this is $17. This is great kasi you can do live preview. Oh, diba? You can live preview the website. For example, they have even some demo. So for example, you want this, you want this. Yeah, I think this is applicable for health and beauty, where you're promoting a skincare product. So for example, this one, diba? So you can really like copy and paste and check the colors out here. And then, yeah. But this is for sale. And these are their demo. But since this is kind of not related to our goal, which is a Cairo, so we need to like find another Cairo. We need to stick with our research. Okay? So next with Team Forest, sana yung community natin? We have Template Monster. Yun. So again, search for Cairo website or maybe Cairo landing page. I don't know. They don't know pa what's Cairo. But for sure with other business niche, this is kind of recognizable talaga. So let's just accept na lang. For example, spa website. So there are a lots designed. For example, this one. Okay, we have some screenshots here. Ito. But ito. Yeah, this is kind of background overlay design. That there's a background behind it and then like a very subtle transparency in the dark effect. So yeah, I'm not convinced with this. Maybe we can stick with but let's take a look at Envato for the last time. Baka may ma-offer siya na Cairo. Cairo website. And then go to like maybe web template. Yeah, here's a web template. If you have any questions, you can like freely drop your comments. Ayun, I think we have chats. All right, so yeah, you can like join our community there. All right, so can you like type all of the resources or your top one resources when finding some design inspiration? Maybe that one helps. If you have any. Yeah, I think this is good, Nano Design. So let's take a look at if this has a live preview. So subscribe to download. Ayun. Yeah, this one, live preview. All right. So I think we should choose between these two items. Oh, diba? There's subtle animation pa. You know. So that is like the power of research. If you know what you're doing, you can like promote or you can like even tell your clients without design experience, but you know where to find all of those great design and you can send this mock-up lang sa kanila, they'll be like shocked. No, ma-shock sila lang. Bakit? Akala ko ba hindi ka marunong sa design? But why have you like given me this kind of design example? And you can tell that I have a friend who can implement this, but I want this to be implemented on your business. So let's do a voting with our research. I think we can like find another one sa Google search. So Cairo website. Something like that lang in Google. Sponsored chiropractic website design. Okay? Convince us. All right. It seems promising. Discover the best value online marketing. This is not Cairo. See our designs. Okay. So we're expecting that they are having a Cairo website. So this is the fastest way for you to design. Okay. But we'll be doing ano naman like very detailed designing if you want. So 40 best chiropractic website. Yeah, you can do as well like top 10 website, a Cairo website in the Philippines, something like that. In US. If your client is from Australia, then you can search their competitors and then see their website, diba? And you can like get idea and ano. Do you want more than just short-term pain relief? Ayan. So this case is a video background. So this is simple but very powerful. So this is the top one on the list. But like let's take a look at video is it's kinda loading sa website. So let's refrain from this. Ito, this can do. New York City Chiropractor and Functional Medicine. Oh yeah, this is great. Yeah, diba? That's the power of research. And if you're going to ask, what's this? Like, it's taking screenshot to the entire page. This is a Chrome extension called Go Full Page. So you can like add this extension. Para you can like copy and paste. All right, so we're done with our research and it's time for us to choose. So let's label this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So yeah, let's do your vote. Type in the chat if what you prefer. Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? Go guys. So we have 1. We have 1. We have 2, 1. R, can you like ano? Who's the winner or Sheila? Who's the most vote? Is it 1 or 2?
Okay, for 1, meron tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 po ang pumili sa 1. And sa 2 naman po, we have 1, 2, 3, 3. So the winner is 1 po.
All right. Pinahirapan niya talaga ako. Yeah. Yeah, this is great. Actually, this is my top 1 as well. Right? Yun. Ayun, may 10. Alright, sige. Let's do this, no? So, yun yung ano ko, like, first, you need to do some research. And then, find resources online. Like yung top 5 na gamit ko. Or, you can be more resourceful. Normally, I do some research, design research for an hour. Like, ina-allocate ko talaga siya to do some research. And tell to the client, hi client, this is my design inspiration. Let me know. Or you can ask a client mo, hey client, what is your who is your competitor? What do you have like inspirational design that you can have a reference? And then it's time for you to get the color palettes niya. Like for example, yung branding niya is pink. So all you need to do it's like get the hex code and then apply it. So you need to just like change na lang the entire thing with the branding. Change mo tong color to ano. So now, it's time for us to create this. But yeah. So eto siya. It's either saan kayo mag-choose ng site builder. It can be sa WordPress with Elementor. What else? What page builder ba? For example, Wix. So, like System.io, whatever you want na site builder, this is applicable. The important thing is you do your research, you get the branding from your client, and now you are ready to start or build the design. Okay? So let's start. So in my case, or in our end, or in the business, for our clients, we are using Accio. Ayan. So we are, the backbone talaga namin is Accio. So in Accio, there are sites, no? You have this option na site, and then you can create unlimited website, unlimited funnel. And we have like 1,000 of templates ready for you to inject. Like if you want, like, let's try to find the design. Maybe nandito din siya. I don't know. So these are the great looking design crafted from designers, no? Para you can be like ano. Yeah, this is my top 6 pa na ano option. So for example, spa. Yeah, let's just try. Ayun, so may spa designs na pala. So all you need to do is like inject na lang this design and then you're done. 'Di ba? All you need to do is like remodel, redesign. But I wanted to start from scratch talaga. Yeah. So let's start from scratch. Kasi if you start from scratch, you can optimize the code, meaning it is fast and easy to customize. Yung sa templates kasi, it's great looking design, but the problem is the customization. Like, how can you customize if there are CSS, diba? If you cannot like edit the headline, if there are negative spacing, so that complicates your life. So let's start from scratch. Okay? Scratch na tuloy. So let's name this one. Chiropractic. Ano ba spelling? Chiropractic. Healthcare. Healthcare, something like that. So let's create our first sa episode na to. So this is the first time that we are building an actual design. All right. So in here, there are several steps. Steps are pages in equivalent. So if you're using other site builders, this is equivalent to pages. So name your page. So let's name this one home page. Okay. And create. All right. So you can use from existing. Yeah. Kasi later, no, not later, but after we created our offer, you can use our designs na. No? Like yung mga ginawa namin na very premium design for you guys. We'll be giving you one free and then maybe offer a little amount for you to get entire designs that we are having. So these are like premium made designs na we crafted na pinag-isipan with principles. It's not just a design approach lang, but it comes up with principles as well. But in our case, in this episode, we'll just create from blank, no? So can you type 1 if you're still following? Baka may iba dyan, like, hindi naka-follow. All goods, all set. Okay. All right. That's great. So this is the look if this is your first time editing a funnel inside Accio. Okay, so the first step natin na gagawin, ayun, naglo-load pa pala siya. Yun, so you can take time, like, get your coffee or like drink. Anyone, can you type 1 if you're a freelancer? 2 for agency owner, and 3 for business owner. So we have 1. Yeah, we have freelancer. Okay. 2 for agency owner, and 3 for business owner. Ayun. So, yun, 1.3. So in the middle of being a business agency owner. So we have agency owner pala, si Rowena. All right. All right, so there's no business owner here. That's fine. So as a freelancer or as an agency owner, you need to know this talaga. You need to know how to create design or create landing pages or funnel. So let me just refresh one more time. Because if you're talking to your client, you cannot impress them by showing this design. Kasi what if the client is already onboarded and gusto niya like actual mo i-edit sa kanya yung design. So at least you get to know the idea like how to design, how to modify. Right, so this is our model, no? Yung winner natin for tonight. Where is that? Ayan. So, yeah. Okay. So let's start with a full width section. So this is a section, and yeah, I think we have a presentation last time about layouts, correct? I think this is just really recent. Sa episode 6 natin, we've talked about, sana yung kodigo po? Yeah, we've talked about, yeah, that is a Canva. So, we've talked about layouts last time. So now, we need to identify ilang columns ba to siya na layout. So what do you think? How many columns is this entire section consist? Eh, no, parang online class lang, no? So can you guess how many columns does this section? May nagsabi na 2. Ayun. Yeah, can you yeah, we have 2. Yeah, that's correct. So this is having 2 sections. 2 columns. 1 column for this entire content and 1 column for the space. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to add a row with 2 columns. Yeah, I think you're following so far. And the way I do it is nilalagay ko muna lahat ng content before I design. Okay? So again, I put all of the necessary content or element before I do the design. Okay? But it's up to you if you want to do the design first and add the content. But this is my preference lang. So you need to identify the elements. So how many elements we are having here? Yeah. So another quiz now. Like how many elements do you guess? Elements are this. Ito sila. So we have 1 for the headline, 2 for the divider, 3 for the paragraph, and 4 for the buttons. Okay. So we have 4 elements here. So let's do this. So 1 is the headline. So I'll add headline. And then I'll add divider. Do you have a divider here? Divider. So a paragraph. And buttons. Button. Okay. So we have button. Yeah, we have 2 buttons, but I'll add muna isa. Okay, that's it. That's our design. So yeah, this is my first step talaga. At least you designated na. And next is, ginagawa ko is the alignment. So the justification. So as you've noticed, these are aligned left, correct? So all you need to do is like align this one from left. Line left, diba? So, ito siya. Left. Left. Alright. So, align na sila left lahat. And next is the sizes. So, we need to identify how much is yung size nito. So, by default, yung headline is ano siya mga 45. Yeah. Kaya yeah, 45 yung headline. Mostly. And then paragraphs are playing with 16 or 18. 18 for desktop and 16 for mobile. And for the button font size is 18 or 20. So let's do 18. All right, so we're done with the sizes. Next is the white spaces. So you can like take note or like review this recording lang. White spaces are the spaces in between elements. Diba? We have margin, padding, border. If you like listen to our previous webinar, that is our discussion last time, like the principles of design. If you are there. So yeah, let's try to identify. So let's start with the padding, section padding. So this is the section padding. Okay? So let's select the entire section. You know what? I'll just make this one. So let's select the entire section. By the way, guys, just for you to know, I'm using ultra wide screen. Kaya if you can notice, this is kinda wide talaga. Kasi this is ultra wide. But if you're using laptop, yung ganito lang talaga yung design niya. Ganito lang in your end. But I'm going to extend para you can see a lot of view. Okay. So let's adjust the section padding. So the section padding here is normally it's 100 and 100 for the hero section. Again, this is not fixed. These are just my preference and based from here as well. Ito na design. The next is the spacing. So maybe we can like adjust this length of the divider. Solid height, this one width. Let's make it 40 and align left. Okay. And then the spaces. So next is the final content. Like, what are the copy? So again, we're not dealing with copywriting right now. We're just dealing with design. So all you need to do, like copy and paste. Okay. I hope you're still following, huh? So this one, and then the paragraphs. Yeah. So that is the content. But as you can see, medyo malaki yung headline size natin. But how can I identify the headline size? You have two options. It's either you inspect element. So this is kind of tedious na, but this is the process talaga. No? So you need to know these things for you to know. The font size is 44 pixels. Ito siya, 44 pixels. Or you can like install a Chrome extension name what the font. So hindi siya bad words what the font siya na Chrome extension. And all you need to do is like click that Chrome extension and then just hover it to the text above. Okay, so click mo lang to siya. So this is Lato with 700 font weight with 44 pixels. Okay, gets lang. And this is a Railway font with 400 font weight and with 15 pixel font size. Yun. You need to know how to read those things. Okay? And no worries, you'll know how to read it if you don't know pa. If you just stick here. So let's adjust muna the font style. So first, for our headline, it's Lato. And then for the paragraph, it's Railway. Railway. Okay. And according here, this is 44. O, diba? 1 pixel lang yung gap. Kasi normally the standard is 45. But in that site, they are using 44. I don't know why is that. But yeah. And this is 15. Okay. Then maybe we can like give a really great margin below the, so maybe like 20. Yeah, something like that. All right. So, ang layo pa. Let's add the background. The question is, how can I get the background? Yun. That's a big problem. So, you can do inspect element, right? Click on the element like inspect, and then you need to know how to find the source of the image. So this case is, let's click this division row class. Yeah, so you need to like read this, but there's a Chrome extension again, no? Now we're going to download all of the images now. This is image downloader Chrome extension. So all you need to do is click lang that one, and then there you go. Like you can like download the image na directly, like all of the images found onto a website. Yun yung use ng tool na yun. So I just downloaded it. And now we're going to try to upload it. So what section am I going to add the background? So this is the entire section. Make sure you are selecting the right section and then upload it. Upload mo yung background image. Now again, dapat itong background image na to is coming from your client. We're just doing this for examples lang. Okay? Baka may magtanong, lah, ganyan lang pala, like, we're doing copy-paste lang pala. So no, we're just modeling it, no? Baka, baka sabihin nyo, si Rand is nagtuturo pala how to copy and paste website. So this is just your guide, no? We're just basically modeling a certain design to the, for the educational purposes lang to siya. So instead of full width with parallax, you can like do full center. Okay? And now there is a contrast issue. Kasi dark background with dark font. So how can we fix this? Anyone? Where's my chat? It's disappearing. Okay, so how can we like improve the contrast? Adjust opacity of the picture. Okay, let's do that. So actually we can adjust the opacity of the image. First is using the site builder or i-edit mo talaga yung image na i-darken mo siya with Photoshop or any editing tool. So to do that is you need to adjust the background color and then we have an option here to like background opacity, like light. All right. So adjust the opacity. Which one? Like, are we going to lighten the background or darken the background? Sino yung nag-answer ng ano? So yeah, what are we going to do? Don't be shy. Lighten. Okay. So instead of black, we're going to use white. Okay. So maybe instead of light, we'll do heavy. All right. So do you think it improves? Like it is more kind of visible now? Ayun. So yeah, you need to be like interactive, guys, para kasi this is for you as well, no? So yun. Yeah, so this is the the light version. So you know what? What I'm doing as well is I'm duplicating this entire section and I'm trying to like test or split test, no? So this is what we call split testing. For example, the client's preference is dark website or dark theme. So you can like try to darken the images and maybe lighten your font para it will be visible. Oops. So para ka lang talagang nag-edit ng ano. Ayun. So wait. So maybe not heavy, maybe light, ano lang. Something like this. So which is better, the light version or the dark version? Ayun. The color pala of this one is yeah, what do you prefer? Version 1 or 2? Yeah, dark. Yeah, nice yung dark. Yeah, kasi based from our model, it's a dark version. And yeah, this is good. And this is, yeah. Okay. So we can now delete this section and focus here na lang. All right. Ayun. May gusto nang matulog. All right. So yeah, we can like do this, see our results so far. So what I can do is like, I can save this and then view the results. Okay, see this in laptop size. So this is our progress so far. But we need to improve this by adding the buttons now. So again, this is our reference image. So let's add this color, no? Like subtle blue and green. So how can we get the exact color of the button from a certain website? So we have two options as well. So you can like right click inspect again. Yeah, this is like the ano talaga without Chrome extension. You keep doing this talaga. So you have the color here. So that's background. Yeah, it's kind of hard to find here talaga. I think yeah, this one. But what I suggest is just install ano like this tool, Colorzilla, or I think this is Color Eyedropper, and it will going to highlight the exact color, and then you can like copy and paste the hex code. That way, you can change our design, this one, change the color, and maybe add na lang natin siya to our palette. Okay? So add. Ayun. So we have it. So this exact color. And then maybe we can copy the font. Contact us. So this is contact us. So there's an option then sa baba that you can change to contact us. All right. And if you want to add some icons, icon picker after. So this is an arrow, correct? Arrow. Arrow to the right. Yeah, this one. Okay. And maybe provide some extra spaces sa button. Ayan. So, yeah, I think that's it. So, yeah, this is how you do it. But the question is, we have two buttons here. Currently, we cannot implement that one without using CSS. Kasi if you like duplicate this button, nandito na siya. So we need to use CSS. Or we needed to add an extra section. Ito siya. Yeah. We do, I think there's, wala pa ba double button? Like, wala pa. So yeah, we need to add CSS na onto this one para it will be naka-next siya na buttons here. No? So I think there's a problem with line heights here. So let's just adjust the line height. So line heights are those spacing between lines of words, no? So maybe we can make it 1 or 1.2. Yeah, 1.2 is good. And then ito sa baba, maybe we can like increase as you can see here, there is a line height. So maybe a line height 1.2 or 1.4. Yeah, it's a matter of adjustments. All right, so I think that's it. And save, and then you can like find the domain, a perfect domain, and you can like connect it with with this funnel. And there you have it. So I think ito lang muna siya as of the moment. And maybe we'll do part 2 na lang for us to implement the other section. Okay? Or maybe we can like take a look at some examples na naman for you to And by the way, you can add an animation effect here. For example, button effect, we have like grow, a glow, and this is like rocking. Yeah, if you see some of the funnels na ganyang design, so it's kind of okay. So yeah, I think there you have it. This is like the main section. We don't have the ano pa, like, we cannot accommodate for us to like create multiple sections into this webinar kasi we're just using an hour of webinar. So guys, it's time for you to ask me any questions with regards to data research, design research, and like actual implementation of the design. Anyway, we'll be having part 2 pa naman. So yeah, so that you can reserve or ask questions now. Yeah, I think that's all my presentation.
Thank you so much, Coach Ron. So, the Q&A session is now open. Pwede po kayo mag-type sa Zoom chat or sa Facebook Live comment section sa mga queries niyo po. Okay, meron po tayong isa, si Jasmine Morta po. Coach Ron, recorded po ba to?
Yes, this is recorded. Actually, we're live sa Facebook, no? And it will be great if you ask questions para there are interactions sana. But yeah, this is live. You can like visit the premium funnels and you can like view the episode 1 natin to episode 7, which is now.
Okay. So, anyone? Mga queries nyo po, mga tanong nyo po, nagugulan po ba kayo? Okay, meron po tayong isa from Genevieve. When po ang part 2?
So we're doing this every Tuesday. So we're trying to experiment dates, no? Like at first we're doing this every Friday, but now it's Tuesday. So let's see if there are a lot of participants during Tuesday. Then we can like do every Tuesday na webinar. So this is recurring. So save na lang yung Zoom link and then para next time automatic na. But we encourage you to like and follow our Facebook page para you keep updated as well.
Okay, meron po tayong isa from Hope Christian. Coach, pwede mag-add ng 2 buttons without using CSS?
Currently, sa site builder ng Accio, we don't have that feature pa. We needed to add an extra CSS talaga for us to like implement 2 buttons. But there is alternative, but you cannot do it in the same section. So you need to create a separate section pa talaga for the sake of those 2 buttons.
Okay, I hope that answered your question po, Sir Hope Christian. So, from Genevieve po ulit, ano po ang link? I was invited lang po. Anong link po ang ginamit nyo po? Okay, and then nasagot na po ni Ma'am Riza. So, any queries or question po? Okay. So, thank you so much, Coach Ron, for sharing really helpful tips on making funnels. I learned a lot from you, Coach, and I hope you guys also learn a lot from the discussion about funnel design creation. If there's no other question or queries, type 7 po tayo dyan.
Yeah, before we end, maybe you can like take a picture muna. Para we can like post it into our social media. Right, so yeah, guys, can open your cam and like wait for the go signal if it's ready to capture. Right.
Okay.
So
Open
maybe,
po tayo.
Sheila, you can like count or do some screenshot na lang.
Okay, noted, Coach. So, open cam po tayo lahat. Okay. Screen 1, smile po tayo. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.